Owakobecha, Owawanyanri, Iklasi Awarin. Welcome to our class. Today's topic is daily greetings. This section is targeted at introducing learners to the beauty of the Urhobo culture and the significance of greeting in the language. Hello, Mavo. Welcome to another exciting lesson from your favorite Urhobo tutor. In today's lesson, we will be learning how to greet in the Urhobo language. The Urhobo language is culturally enriched with several situational and context-based greetings in the language. Respect is one of the cornerstones of Urhobo culture, and this is reflected in the way they greet each other. They either bow or kneel while greeting the elders with words. Mingwo, meaning I'm on my knees. In any other subsequent contact during the same day, do, meaning hello, may suffice. Note very well that the word elder here means anybody who is older than another in age, even in 1 minute, hour or day and above. All included in the illustrations below are examples of customary reactions and responses during ceremonies or special celebrations. This section, therefore, centers on the daily greetings associated with the Urhobo culture. So, I will say the greetings in Urhobo and English and the response both in Urhobo and English. I will also give some remark for each of them. Do, hello. The response, a, and then mingwo if responder is younger, or do if responder is older. Remark, can be repeated as many times as possible during the day. The answer is mingwo if he is younger, and if they are meeting for the first time on the day. Dede. After expression of joy and excitement, responses of do, mingwo can follow. Remark, when meeting for the first time after a long separation and absence from someone. Mingwo. Response, vrendo. This can be done any time of the day, and it's from the younger person to a senior person. Wekobirwo. And the response is a remark. Greeting during work can also be used for gratitude immediately after work. Warawari. It means safe journey, and the response is a remark. Goodbye. It is also a sort of prayer for one to go safely and come back safely. Woruru. It means thank you. Do. It also means thank you. Mingwo can also be used for thank you. And what is the response? A remark, for gratitude, if the grateful person is younger, he will also add mingwo. If he's older, he adds do after woruru. Ewewu. It's like hallelujah, praise be to God. Ewewu, both audience and initiator give this response. If a child is born or during Oyari, which is circumcision ceremonies, it is for great rejoicing. Meyara, bye bye, or I'm going. The response is barawori, go and come back. This is for a journey from where you expect to return soon. Mikborio, be yorobunwewi. If you are going home, or to where you do not expect to return soon or uncertain of time of return. Conclusion. Greeting an older person. Whenever you see an older Urhobo person for the first time that day, when an older person offers you something, when you offer an elder food or drink, you should bend your knees when saying Mingwo. It is generally acceptable to gently bow your head instead of bending your knees when the situation is not conducive. In ceremonial situations, you should actually be on your knees until you are told to rise by the elder. Interaction. How would you greet an elderly person for the first time of the day? How will you greet someone coming back from a journey? Thank you for staying to the end of the lesson. See you next time.